Access to funding is one major challenge entrepreneurs in Nigeria have had to grapple with in trying to build a viable business.
Non-financial institutions.
And this comes to the fore at the Fate Foundation 8th Policy Dialogue Series on Entrepreneurship, which brings together stakeholders in the ecosystem.
We can easily access finance.
Cooperative societies and groups and business groups have been very instrumental in facilitating.
Insightful conversations center on how to bridge the financial gap for Nigerian entrepreneurs, as well as factors hindering the growth of SMEs across the country.
I found out that, yes, access to finance is a critical issue, but there are other issues that are also very important, particularly to those that are willing to put money into these businesses.
If I speak for myself, I have an international passport, I have a driving license, I have a NIN, I have a BVN, and all these numbers are different. So once we have one unique identifier that can help us map people, then it becomes a whole lot easier for credit grantors to take decisions.
The current structures are not going to work at the bottom of the pyramid. We want to lift them up. We want Mama Sikira's Akara business to become a household name and a brand. And she's not going to be able to do that if she's only going to be looking to the banks.
According to organizers, the 2022 State of Entrepreneurship report by the foundation brings into focus the data gap in the space.
To be honest, there's definitely that dearth of data with regards to Nigerian MSMEs, and which is why we developed this report. And Fate Foundation sort of expanded its focus to include research and policy advocacy around entrepreneurship in Nigeria, which is what the Fate Institute does. And our hope and our goal with the State of Entrepreneurship report is that we can contribute to bridging that data gap that exists within the space.
In having the conversations, we wanted to look at the insights that we got from our State of Entrepreneurship report for this year to get a sense of where are people, for those, how many people are getting financing, for those who are not getting financing, why, for those who are getting financing, what type, so is it grants, is it debt, is it equity, or is it some form of alternative or mixed form of financing?
Fate Foundation has been helping entrepreneurs grow and scale up their businesses while fostering discussions that will influence sustainable entrepreneurship policy change.